Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you our technique that I use for most of my clients. I start with my 00 to create a line. It depends if it's mid fade or higher fade or low fade. In this video it's mid fade. And when you create a line, keep in mind, if you're doing like a light fade, keep 2 fingers space to fade. If it's dark fade, keep 1 finger so you can fade till 1 finger. If it's dark fade, if your finger is like my finger.
The same way, gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
And then using our machine brown shaver to shave all of the hair above the line.
Taste all the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
But when you shave it, don't go up to the line. Before hit the line, with the under like a small space, lose the pressure to blend it. So you're not gonna make like a line with the shaver.
Choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
And now it's time to serious things, to fade. I'm using like number 1.5 with my machine silver bullet, that's something like that called. Go up to 2 finger, 2.5, doesn't matter.
As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
And now I'm gonna show you my technique with the 0 guard and got number half only. I don't use number 1. I created small line with 0 with no guard. And then I'm gonna fade it with the half, with the close, and then open it when you go up. It's hard to explain because I'm open and close hundreds of times in the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And when you're using scissors, you cut first line and you go straight till you finish the line, and then you cut same things next to the outline.